Want to share your Steam games with family without losing control? Here's how family sharing works. Family sharing lets up to 5 accounts access your library on authorized computers. You stay in control, you choose which accounts and computers gain access. Step 1. Authorize a trusted computer in Steam settings under Family. Step 2. Enable library sharing and select the accounts you trust. Keep in mind, only one person can play a shared game at once. Sign into Steam on the other PC, open Settings, then Family to authorize. From your main account, tick the boxes to approve specific accounts for sharing. Those accounts can download and install allowed games and launch them locally. If you start a game someone else is using, they'll get a few minutes to quit or buy. You can revoke access anytime in Family settings. Note DLC, subscription, or region limits. Quick tips: authorize only trusted devices, enable two-factor, visit support.steampowered.com.